Greetings everybody and welcome. In this video I will teach you how to add Jotform to WordPress. So let's just begin. First of all, what we need to do here is, you can see, let's just say this was our form that we were working on. Now to add it onto your WordPress site, you're going to be heading over to your settings, and from there head over to your integrations. Make sure that you do have WordPress app. So search in here for WordPress just like this, and you can see we have WordPress, and you can use the Zapier integration for WordPress that is going to be combining both of these. So before we do that, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 50% off on Jotform and unlock a lot of features that can help you to create amazing different forms, websites, and different kind of stuff. So make sure to check out the link. So you can simply create a WordPress post for new Jotform submissions. You can add WordPress post and simply integrate it. So you can use these apps and simply integrate your Zapier application, sign up, and this will be inside your WordPress as well. So this is how you can do it, and see you in the next video.